Hello, here's an exercise in coordinate geometry suitable for years 15 and above. We're going to find an equation for the circle which passes through the points 0, 0, 1, 2, and 3, 4. So we assume the general equation is of the form x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. And inserting the coordinates, we get 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c equals 0, which means c is 0. Then inserting the coordinates 1, 2, we get 1 plus 4 plus x plus 2y equals 0, since c is 0, and 9 plus 16 plus 3x plus 4y equals 0, inserting the third set of coordinates. So those equations simplify as x plus 2y equals minus 5, and 3x plus 4y equals minus 25. Multiplying the first equation through by 3, we get 3x plus 6y is minus 15, and leaving the second equation as it is, we get 3x plus 4y is minus 25, and by subtraction we get 2y equals 10 and y equals 5. Now, since x plus 2y equals minus 5, x plus 10 equals minus 5, which means x is minus 15, and then finally x squared plus y squared minus 15x plus 5y is 0. An alternative method, and here we're making no assumptions on the general form of circle equation. First of all, let hk be the center of the circle. Then the three given points are all the same distance from hk. So h squared plus k squared equals h minus 1 squared plus k minus 2 squared, and that in turn is equal to h minus 3 squared plus k minus 4 all squared. And then multiplying those out, we got h squared plus k squared equals h squared minus 2h plus 1 plus k squared minus 4k plus 4, which means that minus 2h minus 4k plus 5 is 0. And also h squared plus k squared is h squared minus 6h plus 9 plus k squared minus 8k plus 16, which means that minus 6h minus 8k plus 25 is 0. So we've got two equations in h and k. First one is 2h plus 4k is 5, and the second is 6h plus 8k is 25. If we double the first one throughout, we get 4h plus 8k equals 10. And the second equation we leave alone is 6h plus 8k plus 25. And by subtraction, we get 2h equals 15. So h equals 7.5. And since 2h plus 4k is 5, we have 15 plus 4k is 5. Means 4k is minus 10 and k is minus 2.5. So the radius, or the square of the radius, will be, which is h squared plus k squared, but that will be 7.5 squared plus 2.5 squared, which comes to 62.5. And then we have, using Pythagoras' theorem, x minus 7.5 squared plus y plus 2.5 squared equals 62.5. When you square it out, 62.5 disappears, leaving us with x squared minus 15x plus y squared plus 5 equals 0 as before. Okay, thanks very much for listening. Mm-hmm.